Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download file from Google Drive. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Google Drive app on your phone. Then select the file that you want to download. And for example, I'm going to download this file, guys. This annual calendar file. So just click on this three dots button to download the file. Alright, and there will be several options for us, and since we want to download the file, we can click on download option right here. And now the file is being downloaded, and we can check it in our notification. Alright, this is the file that we are downloading from Google Drive. And that's how we can download file from Google Drive, guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comments, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.